Isomers skincare started out of a need. As a young girl, I had very problematic skin. It wasn't acne or breakouts, it was worse than that. I had allergies, I had welts, I couldn't regulate temperature very well. So no matter what product I tried or anything that I did, it would not help my skin. My skin was very reactive. I couldn't be out in the cold. If I was out in the wintertime or in the heat in the summertime, my skin literally would be riddled with bumps and welts, and that would leave marks and scars. So I had a lot of challenges with my skin. There wasn't a product out there, there wasn't a doctor, a dermatologist, a skincare specialist who could help me. So when I went into university, I had a lot of self-esteem issues. I had eating disorder, I was painfully shy, I felt I was ugly and unlovable. And at University of Toronto, I met Dariush in karate. I was taking karate with my brother. He was trying to get me out of my shell. And I met Dariush and we started dating, and Dariush had a background in chemistry, and we started looking at different isomers and different chemicals or ingredients to see if maybe we could solve this issue with my skin, because he could see through this problem with my skin, and he can see that there was more to me than the cover, if you will. And so this is what we started to do with my mother's blender and idea. We started to create formulations. And my skin started to heal and it started to change, and people started to notice the difference. And this was fantastic because we were able to create products for other people as well. So this is how Isomers Laboratories started. So it started out of this problem and this need and this passion to cure it and fix it. We've never forgotten who we are. Our roots are based on that science. It's based on that integrity. It's based on that need to serve and to fix problems so people can feel better about themselves, that they could reach their potentials. Isomers Laboratories, we make all of our own formulations in-house. We do the research, we do the science, we do the formulating, we do the chemistry, because we want to make sure that integrity and standard and performance is there. We choose to not be in retail, but to educate through TV shopping or online so that we can empower those who need the information, who can utilize and benefit from the information, the science, and our formulas. That's our story, and we're very, very proud of being able to help everybody or anybody who needs it every day.